Hey guys, I was asked to share how I contour. Now, I'm not a highlight contour kind of person every single day, but I like to do it when I'm going out or I have a special occasion, and tonight I have a date night, so it would be really appropriate. I've already done my eye, so I have this smoky eye going on. I have foundation on, I've done my eyebrow. I don't have any concealer and I don't have anything on my cheeks yet, so I'm gonna walk you through some of the steps I take when I'm doing a bit of highlight and contour. I'm gonna use Laura Mercier's Secret Concealer in number 2, but I like to layer my concealers because I have very dark circles, so use the back of my Heavenly Looks brush here, a little concealing right here as well. One layer of concealing, and as you can tell, I still have darkness under my eyes. I am a special case. So if you don't have to do all these steps, then that's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my NARS concealer. When it comes to concealers, I switch them up all the time. I like to experiment because I have such dark circles and I feel like I can never find anything that I absolutely love. And so here I am just blending that out as best as possible. I did a little bit on my nose. We're getting somewhere, and I have to smooth this area out a little more. Okay, so I know this sounds crazy, but I think I need one more layer of concealer. All right, so I'm just adding just a tiny bit more right here because this is my biggest problem area. I'm just going to dab, 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 and spread. And I really don't want to move it as much this time, just want it to stay in that area. And what I'm doing is just buffing out the edges so that it looks even. I don't always do this step, but I am wearing a ton of concealer today, so I think I am gonna do this step. And I am using Laura Mercier. It's a translucent powder. This is what it looks like. And this is just like a big fluffy angled brush. All right, now for contour. This is a Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I love anything that's like small and compact and easy to use. What I'm gonna do is just create a line right here. So it's kind of like in the middle of my ear, a little bit higher up, just because I want to create the illusion of higher cheekbone. I don't go all the way down. I just kind of do half a line where the balls of my cheeks are. I'm going to do a little bit on my nose as well. So here we go. It looks so funny. And I know you guys have seen this, but man, it doesn't get easier than a stick. I recommend this for blending out cream contour. It is so good and easy to use. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to blend out my nose. You want to make sure that you're not leaving any harsh lines around. It's so easy to put on that you can kind of go back and see if you need to add more, or if you want to do your forehead, which sometimes I do, and today I'm going to do it. I don't really do it here just because it gets in my hair. Sometimes I just use whatever's like left on my brush and I blend it down. But I am an oily skin girl, so I have to kind of set all of this with powder. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Hoola. This is the same brand, and it is the powder version, and this one's really popular. It's matte, it doesn't have any like sparkles. So I'm actually gonna use my blush brush to apply that because I just want it to be a little bit more diffused. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And I'm gonna do a little bit on my forehead. I'm looking tan, it's fake. All right, so I have this blush palette from BH Cosmetics. It has a lot of different colors, so I kind of love having it here. I'm gonna do kind of like a peachy cheek on top of this. And what you're doing is just blending your cheek color with your contour. This is just my preference. I like a good colored cheek. Not everyone does, but I do. Yeah, that's looking good. I'm loving to use a fan brush to apply highlight. So I'm looking for mine right now and I can't find it. Awesome. So I'm using the pink iridescent one so you guys can see. Even do a little bit on your forehead and on your nose. Put that everywhere. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful enough and easy enough that you feel like you could do on your own. A little bit of highlight and contour goes a long way, especially for a date night. I hope you like this look. Let me know what you think.